Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have this heavy box right here. I don't know if I can lift it up. So I received this probably about a week or so ago. I don't know. I did write on it when I received it. Let me see if I can tell you. I have no clue. Yeah, no idea. This is a Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum 7-in-1. Now, I printed off my email from them. This is from a company on Amazon. So this is an Amazon product. The company name is Yiktol, Y-A-Y-I-K-T-O-L. And they specialize in pet grooming kits. Now, I have two pets. One goes to the groomer, and Oreo I groom myself. And I have trimmers and all the, the scissors and all that stuff. But I don't generally say yes. I mean, I've, in the past 2 weeks, have turned down so much from Amazon and from outside companies. They're just not things that I would, do on the channel. But I do groom Oreo, and I figured this looked interesting to me. So it says the following are the product features, and I'll show you everything in the box. A complete grooming kit. Give your pet a good grooming experience and reduce beauty expenses. I'm upwards of anywhere $80 to $100 just to have patches groomed. They do A to Z, obviously, and then I usually take Oreo and they trim her nails, so then that's well over $100, which I don't mind. I mean, it's part of owning a dog, but Oreo is just so easy to groom. Patches, not so much. I mean, I have, but I prefer she go to the groomer. There are multiple uses. This is not only to be used for pet cleaning, but also can easily clean and collect hair on clothes, beds, sofas, corners, your car. When Patches comes back from the groomer and I put her in the car, I harness her in, all that's, her white fur is all over my seats. And then I have to get the vacuum out or go to the, like car wash where there's a vacuum and vacuum all the hair out of my car. Let me see. This vacuum itself is a 2.5 liter, easy and detachable. Dust cap can meet your multiple uses without frequent cleaning. Low noise, which is important. Now, I have not tried this yet. High power, which is more friendly and safer for cats. So you can use this on cats or dogs. So that is the reason why I agreed to this. So what I'm going to do is I have the box right here, and it does come with a booklet with, like all the information, the warranty, just all that kind of stuff. So we'll put this to the side too. I'm going to, let me see, I don't know, I guess I could just show you. Here is everything that you get in your box when you open it up. So here is like your grooming, and these all attach to the vacuum. So when you're grooming, and this is, your grooming head right here, you can see, I'm not going to be unwrapping everything today. I am swamped today. My mother's very sick, and I am taking care of her at home here. So, I cannot be away too long. So I figured, let me just at least get this filmed so that I can upload it. So that is the grooming head, but I like that it plugs into the vacuum. So as you're grooming, I now don't have this huge, massive pile of fur that I have to go get the vacuum and then pick it all up by hand because I don't want all that in my vacuum. And then vacuum where I've groomed. So that makes it simple right there. So we'll get that back in. I don't know how this was in here. Oh, okay. Guess I should pay attention to how things come out of the box. Oh, that way. There are all your grooming guides. So that's for, maybe a bigger dog. You have this size, like everything that you need, basically, right here. And they are numbered. So if you're used to using another number, like this is 3 millimeters, things like that. In here is like an attachment to clean, your like a typical attachment from, I can take this one out, that you would see on a vacuum, but they all attach to the actual vacuum, which I like. I don't have this. Here is, let me see. I guess I can take them out. So this is a smaller, like if you were trimming around like paws or things like that. But I still love that everything just attaches. There are lots of attachments here. Like this one here, if you were to, and this is like a brush. So if you were brushing them, trying to get, you know, just your typical brush where they shed, and then all that hair gets sucked down into the vacuum, which I'm loving all this. This is like a very inclusive kit. And then here's like something to get the hair off like your car seat, blankets, your bed, you know, just wherever you would have hair, fur, that kind of stuff there. And then this one is another like one that has a blade on it, which is interesting. Let me just get all this stuff back here properly. This is in there. Okay, you know, like that. Then this comes out, and there is a base here. Oh, this is for nails, to grind their nails. Oh, I didn't notice that. Nice. And then this tray lifts out. I'm just going to lift that to the side. And in here, and I'm not going to take the actual vacuum. Well, I can take the vacuum. In here is a stand. Ooh, drop it. So this holds all the attachments. So you can keep it. You know, if you can put this away somewhere where you would store like a little vacuum like that and have all the attachments just sit right on it. Like this is such an inclusive kit. The hoses are in here. I think I'm just going to tilt the box to show you the actual vacuum. So this is what the vacuum looks like. So let me take it out of plastic. Now I'll show you what the vacuum looks like since it came out. So it just looks like it would sit nicely on, like next to you on the floor, you know, your typical nice long plug. Here's like on and off switches. Obviously this would come up, collect the hair, and you would clean that out. I do like that it just like sits nicely. And then as you're doing what you need to do with your pet, everything gets collected in here. I love the base, personally, as, you know, a guide. And here's the hose. So you have plenty of hose to work with to attach to your products, and then have it go directly into the vacuum. So I am excited to try this on Oreo, probably this weekend or this coming weekend. I'll give it a try, and I'll just give you a quick update in another video as to what I think, but I think I'm going to love this. I love anything that helps keep you organized, that you don't have to save the box or keep everything. Like if I had to keep everything in here, it would be annoying, but as long as I could put everything on the base, which looks like you easily can do, and just, I guess they go a certain way. Let me see here. Yeah, everything will just stand right up. So when you need the actual trimmer, you take it off, and then everything else will sit on the base. So I'm excited to try this for sure. Oreo does need to be groomed, so hopefully I'll be able to get to that, like I said, this coming weekend, and then I'll share what I think. But I'm impressed. The quality seems good. All-inclusive. I will leave a link in my description box. This is an Amazon product you would purchase on Amazon, and I'm happy to try it. Anything pet related. Thanks for watching, everyone. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.